Hi.
Hi.
Somebody's sleepy.
Yeah. You look tired, huh?
Is that you and the bad dog?
Buddy, get over here.
Come here. You want to play with my ball? No? Okay, maybe Daddy does. Hi, Daddy.
Here, buddy. Sit down.
Hi. Hi.
Where did we end up buying a video
I
camera?
think Target.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Brr. Come here.
Jeffrey, you being Casey. You tired, pumpkin?
Mr. Cranky Pants.
What are you doing?
Want to try to walk to Mommy? Oh, yeah. Come on.
Come here.
Come here.
Jeffrey.
Buddy.
Jeffrey.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Come here.
Oh, yeah.
No. Come closer. You can do it now. Okay, come on. Come here.
Oh, he likes to go the other way, yeah. You need to scoot back, babe. Yeah! Oh, oh, little pumpkin. He's growing up. Do it again. Scoot back a little bit, babe. Get that paper out of the way.
Come here, Jeffrey.
Come on, Jeff. Go to Mama. There you go. Yeah! Who's the little man? Who's the little man now?
That cranky button. Cranky button.
Oh, that's awesome. That's definitely going on YouTube.